What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the new Tamron 17 to 50mm f4 for Sony E-mount. The 17 to 50 f4 is the latest E-mount lens from Tamron, designed for both photographers and videographers. It offers an incredibly versatile focal range from ultra-wide to portrait with crispness from edge to edge while still being affordable. This lens features internal zooming, which is helpful for ease of use in general and comfort when hand-holding, as well as gimbal use for videographers. In terms of functionality, you have a customizable focus set button, which can be used for A and B focus setting, single focus presets, autofocus to manual focus settings, focus to aperture swapping, and even more. The structure of the lens has also been altered, featuring a redesigned grip texture for smoother operation and comfort for the user. The abrasion and moisture resistance has also been drastically improved for all of your outdoor excursions. When it comes to autofocus, this lens includes Tamron's VXD focusing system for fast, quiet, and accurate focusing, and dramatically improved tracking, which will be helpful for video and photo. Like many of Tamron's other mirrorless lenses, the 17 to 50 is fully compatible with all of Sony's main camera-specific features and functions like eye autofocus, in-camera lens corrections, and more. Overall, it's clear that this lens can be used by many different people in many different situations. You can comfortably and confidently shoot vlogs, architecture stills, portraits, and more, all within one single lens. The versatility is really what sets this lens apart and makes it a fantastic all-purpose piece of glass. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions or comments about the Tamron 17 to 50 f4 or anything else camera related, please be sure to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.